perfect.
And then you go like this.
All right, now watch this. We're gonna hit the lights. Check this out, guys. This is the coolest part. What's up, guys? On this show, we're gonna show you how to do some cool things with some dry ice, black lights, our pumpkins, and my assistant B-Dog. All right, where is the dry ice? Why are you putting gloves on?
Because if you don't, then you can get burnt by the dry ice.
Yes, dry ice is extremely cold and will burn you if you touch it with your bare hands. So do not touch it with your bare hands. All right, so there it is. We already broke it up. Doesn't look like much, but it will burn you. All right, so there's our dry ice. But first, step one, grab your favorite beaker or test tube or some sort of glassware, and we're gonna put some water in them. And there's two. So pull that out, and let's see, show the people what we got. That's what you want, the guts. Now you're gonna take that bad boy and squeeze it, get some of that juice. Oh, is it dry? Oh, there we go, look at that. There we go, now do the next one, do the next one. That's what you want, perfect. It almost looks like slurp juice. Look at that, perfect. All right, do the next one. This is gonna be sweet. Perfect, all right, that's enough. Now just set that off to the side, and that's what you want them to look like. You can tell they're already glowing from the black lights. Oh, by the way, you can get a black light. There you go. They're not too expensive, we have two. Igor, grab some dry ice. All right, you gotta find a piece that will fit. And here's the show, folks. Put it in. An instant mad scientist. All right, why don't you grab a bigger chunk for one of those other ones? Like that. There you go. And put it in gently. Don't plop it.
Whoops.
All right, and grab one more. And all right, put it in. And look at that, instant laboratory. Comment below, how cool is that? All right, now watch this. We're gonna hit the lights. Check this out, guys. This is the coolest part. Look at that. Instant slurp juice. What do you think?
That's cool.
So that is how you make your own laboratory with some bubbling beakers. Look at all that fog and mist. And the next step later we'll show you is you can do this with your pumpkins too.
Alright guys, we're going zombie hunting, and there's reports of a clown in the area.
And let's go check it out. Oh jeez. Where'd they go? Oh, hey, I need some help over here. Shoot him with that scar. Headshot, headshot. Wait, hold on.
Oh no. Oh no!
Whoa! Whoa! You gotta get out of here. Quick, hurry up. What is that? Oh my gosh, what is it? Oh, we got a bigger problem. What's a bigger, hey, this is no time to sleep. Get up. No, hey, let's go. I got the scar. I'm out, there's no ammo. All right, I'm out of here. See ya. Take him, Pennywise. Whoa!
5 minutes later.
How do I
Did you
get
connect
out?
it?
Yeah.
All right, I'll help you in a sec. This is a technique I like. You take a candle, and you're gonna ruin it, but you hold it upside down, and you drip wax on the teeth or your pumpkin, and as you do it, it's gonna look like blood. Here's the other neat trick. See this black soot? If you take the candle, if wherever you put the tip of the flame, a little bit lower, wherever you put the tip of the flame, it's gonna make that black soot mark, which is just an awesome extra effect. So you can make it look burnt and bloody. because we don't want no regular pumpkin.
Oh yeah.
Here's the final step. We added some hot water in our pumpkin. B-Dog is putting in some dry ice. So as you can see, the fog comes out the pumpkin's mouth. There you go, skeleton. Put my cover on. And look at that. You have the fog coming out of your pumpkin. And here is the finished product. There's B-Dog's pumpkin. And my skeleton who is in jail. And the creepy kid in the middle, eating pumpkin seeds.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna eat some more pumpkin seeds.
Thank you.